Today we're gonna use earthly flavors in a nice pie. Hey everybody, welcome back. After 2 weeks, yes, I'm finally back. I had a small holiday, I was really busy. Also, they've been renovating the house, so yeah, time is eating me, also at work. Doesn't really matter. Today we're gonna use the earthly flavors. We're gonna use celeriac, we're gonna use eggs, onions, garlic, whipping cream. Let's see, yeah, all kinds of stuff, nuts, breadcrumb, all to make a pie with celeriac. You want to see how I do it? Let's go. We are gonna start with cutting the onions in small pieces. Yes, peeling, cut it, small pieces, mise en place, that's what we call it, prepare everything. Then we're gonna clean up the mushrooms. Also gonna get some slices, be careful of all the sand on it. In slices. And then when it's done, put it all together and put it away. Then the celeriac. We need to clean it. Make sure the peel is off. It's completely cleaned. Yes, even the rough parts. And from there we're gonna make slices of about 3 millimeters. There you can see it, 3 millimeter. Nice piece. When it's done, get it in a pan, put it under water with a little bit of salt. Give it a little bit more flavor. Then we're gonna heat up the wok with some oil. Add the onions. Also 2 cloves of garlic for that nice rich flavor. Then the mushrooms in a pan with a little bit of oil. Let them sweat a little bit. Same thing with the onions and the garlic. When that's sweaty, we're gonna add the walnuts. Not everything. Save a little bit as a garnish at the end. Crush them. Give it a stir. And let that bake for a couple of minutes. Then about a tablespoon of thyme. Seems like a lot of thyme, but all the flavors combined is really nice. Now when that's done, turn up the heat on the mushrooms until they're nice brownish. Turn down the heat and let it stand for a little while. All the moisture will go away. Then get yourself a spring. I always use some paper, some baking paper. Rip it apart and we're gonna cover the spring with the instant dough. First all the sides. I like to have a little bit extra on the sides because if you're gonna bake it, it will shrink. You don't want all the moisture in your spring and into your oven. Cover the bottom. Then the breadcrumb, and on top of the breadcrumb the nut with the onion mixture. Now then we're gonna add a layer of mushrooms, some old cheese, will make everything stick together. And then we've got the celeriac. We're gonna make one nice layer of celeriac. Again, some old cheese, a little bit, not too much. A layer of mushrooms, the remaining part. Some extra cheese. Another layer of celeriac. Nicely covered. Now, the rest of the cheese gonna be added until we've got ourselves a nice layer of cheese. Then 4 eggs. Mix it all up. Salt and pepper. Perfect combo with the egg. Some whipping cream, 200 milliliters. And we're gonna add that to the quiche. When you got it all in, give it a little shake. So it will go to the bottom. And then fold the edges back in. Nice big crust. Be careful so you won't rip any holes in there. And in the end, quiche is ready to go into the oven. Now into the oven, 180 degrees, 45 to 50 minutes, and you'll be ending up with this. Now let's cut it. It's gonna be hot. Got myself a really sharp knife. Oh, nice and crispy. Bang! Ooh! Look at this. So now it's time for a little taste. Got it here. Ooh, nice, crispy. Oh, celeriac really looking nice. The nuts, the onion. Ooh, the mushrooms. Let's give it a taste. Nice crust. You can taste the mushrooms, the cheese, the onion with a light flavor of thyme and garlic. Really, believe me. And the celeriac with the cheese. Spoiling my kitchen, but that's really nice. Oh. If you like these kinds of videos, please get those thumbs up. And this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next week. Bye bye.